Hey everyone, it is Rebecca from the Bookery and Easy DIY Junk Journal Tutorials. Stopping in today to show you what we're going to be getting into for the next 15 days. I was having a really hard time coming up with a project to do, and something just caught my fancy this morning about paper dolls. You know those kind of paper dolls that we used to make in school that held hands, and we made the big long, well, you can see what I'm talking about right here. And these are angels. I hope you can tell that. But I just got out a card and started sketching what I wanted to do. And this is kind of the idea behind it. And this is just the beginning. Just the beginning. So all I need for you to do to be able to join me for the rest of April is get out a piece of 12 by 12 scrapbooking paper. This is cardstock weight. It would be easier to cut if it's paperweight, trust me. I had to use scissors, these kind of scissors, and an X-Acto knife to get these all cut today. But it was worth it, I think. But this is going to become a book. This is going to be a book when we are finished with it. It's kind of my take on an accordion book. So you can see where that terminology comes from, because that kind of looks like an accordion. But when it's finished, we will have a cover on both sides, and this will open up and display our beautiful angels. And you're saying, I know that you are saying, Rebecca, how on earth are we going to spend 15 or 16 days making angels? Well, we are going to decorate every single one of these, and like I said, we're going to turn it into a book. So, and you can decorate both sides, or you can decorate one side. This is up to you. But I am going to be putting a dress on these angels every day, and putting the face and the halo and the wings, and making them all different. All of these, how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different angels are going to be all different. So I'm excited about this, because really I was kind of sweating what we were going to be doing, because I could not come up with an idea, and finally came up with this one, and I'm excited. So what I want you to do to catch up with me tomorrow for tomorrow's tutorial is get yourself a piece of your scrapbook paper. The 12 by 12 is what I am using. And if you want to use my templates that I'm going to give you, that's what you will need to do. Cut it in half. And you will have to, if it comes with this little strip on it, you will have to cut that little strip off to make it 12 by 12, as you probably know. But then I want you to take it, and I want you to fold it. And let me move this X-Acto knife so I don't cut myself, because I have a propensity to do that. But what I want you to do is cut them in 2 6-inch strips. So it'll be 12 inches by 6. And let me get the other one. And just fold it in half. This is what you will do. Fold it in half this way. And if you have a bone folder or anything, even this edge of a scissors will do that. Kind of burnish it down together. And then turn it this way and fold it in half once again. And go ahead and burnish that. Flip it over and make these folds as precise as you possibly can, because that's the secret to these wonderful paper dolls that you made when you were a child. Trust me, is getting the folds perfect. That is all I need you to do tonight. Okay, that's your homework for today, is find a piece of 12 by 12. And if you don't have 12 by 12, use whatever you've got, because you can. I'm going to give you this little template and to cut out, but you can also reduce that on your printer as you're printing it out and print it out to fit whatever size your book makes. Okay? So that's all you have to do, is cut that piece of paper in half and fold it in half twice, and meet me back here tomorrow and see what we're going to get into. That's an easy task, I know. So this is Rebecca, and I will see you back here tomorrow as we get into our Angel Accordion book, and I can't wait to make this with you. May joy be with you all.